Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start exercise 9.2 question number 1. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Part 1 4 and 7p. So first we write what is given monomials. Given monomials are 4 and 7p. Now the product of 4 and 7p is equal to 4 7s are 28p. This is now the part second of question 1. Find the product of the minus 4p and 7p. Once again we write given monomials are minus 4p and 7p. So the product of this is minus 4p multiplied by 7p. This is equal to minus 4 into 7 and p into p. Here it is 7 4s are 28, so it is minus 28, and p into p. Here p is having the power 1 and power 1, so the power 1 plus 1 gives power 2. P raised to the power 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 28 p square. This is our solution of part second. Now the part third, minus 4p multiplied by 7pq, or minus 4p and 7pq. So once again we can write what is given. Given monomials are minus 4p and 7pq, and the product of these two are, it is minus 4p multiplied by 7pq, or we can write it is minus 4 multiplied by 7, and it is p multiplied by pq. Once again it is 7 4s are 28 minus 28 multiplied by p raised to the power 1 multiplied by p raised to the power 1 minus 28 p raised to the power 1 plus 1 q, so that it is minus 28 p raised to the power 2 q. We can write like this we can read like this minus 28p square q. This is our solution of part third. Now the question second, find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths are respectively. For the first rectangle it is p and q. P is the length and q is the breadth. Now we can write what is given given length of rectangle that is equal to P and breadth equal to Q. So now we know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. This is equal to P multiplied by Q. So the answer is PQ. Length equal to 10 m and width equal to 5 n. We know that area of triangle is equal to length into breadth. On putting the values of length and breadth in this formula, it is already given. Length is what? That is 10 m and breadth is 5 n. So it is 10 m into 5 n. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 and m multiplied by n. This is equal to 50 m n. This is our answer. Now the next part, 10x square and 5y square. 10x square is the length and 5y square is the breadth. And we are going to calculate the areas of the rectangle. So first we write given length equal to 20x square and breadth equal to 5y square. On putting these values of length and breadth in the formula of area of rectangle, that we know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. On putting the values of L and B, length and breadth in this formula, it is 20x square multiplied by 5y square. So this is equal to 20 multiplied by 5 and it is x square multiplied by y square. So it is 25 is 100 and it is x square y square, because x and y both are the different quantities, so we can write these quantities as it is in the answer. This is the answer of our third part of question number 2. Now the question 3, complete the table of products. First monomial in this line, in this row, it is 2x minus 5y 3x square minus 4x and so on. And second monomial downward, it is 2x minus 5y 3x square and so on. So we are going to write the product of the first and second monomials in this particular table. One is already solved for us, that is 2x multiplied by 2x, so 2 2s are 4, and x into x is having the power 1 and power 1. In the case of product, powers are added, so it is x raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is x raised to the power 2. So the answer is 4x square. Similarly, we multiply this 2x with this minus 5y. So 2 5s are 10. So we can write here minus 10 and it is x and y. Both are the different quantities. So we write x and y both in this. So it is 2 3s are 6 and x is raised to the power 1 plus 2 3. So we can write here it is 6 x raised to the power 3. So this is the solution of this particular question third, in which we multiply 2x with 2x, 2x with minus 5y, 2x with 3x square, and we get all these results like this. Then we multiply minus 5y with 2x, then we get the minus 10xy minus 5y gives the 25y square, and minus 5y 3x square minus 15x square y, and so on. So this is the solution or answer of question third. Now the question 4, obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. In part 1, the length is 5a, the breadth is 3a square, and the height is 7a raised to the power 4. So for the solution of this question, we can write given length L equal to 5a, then breadth B equal to 3a square, and height h equal to 7a raised to the power 4. Now we know that volume of rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. So it show that it is 5a multiplied by 3a square multiplied by 7a raised to the power 4. Here it is 5 3 7 and a, it is a square and a raised to the power 4. So in our next step we can write it is 5 into 3 into 7, and in second bracket we write a into a square into a raised to the power 4. So it is 7 3 ja 21 and 21 5 ja 105. So it is 105, and here we can write a raised to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4. So it is equal to, it shows that it is 105 a raised to the power 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. a raised to the power 7. So this is the solution of our part first of question number. Now the second part of question 4, that is 2p, 4p, 8r. It means length equal to 2p, breadth equal to 4p and height equal to 8r. And we are going to calculate the volume of rectangular box. So we can write here, it is given L equal to 2p, B equal to 4q and H equal to 8r. So these are the length, breadth and height of a rectangular box whose volume we are going to calculate. We know that volume of rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. It shows that it is 2p multiplied by 4q multiplied by 8r. In our next step we can write 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8 in first bracket, and in the second bracket it is p multiplied by q multiplied by r. Now in our next step we can write 8 4 ja 32, 2 ja 64. So it is 64, and p, q and r, all these three are the different quantities. So we can write the product of these three like this. It is p, q, r. This is our answer of part second of question number 4, 64 pq. Now the question 5, obtain the product of part 1 xy, yz and zx. So for the solution of this part we can write, it is given xy, yz and zx. To obtain the product of this we can write the given terms like this: xy multiplied by yz multiplied by zx, or it can be like this: it is x, so x into x in one bracket, then this is y, y into y in one bracket. Now this is z, this is z, z into z in another bracket. So it shows that x raised to the power 1 and x raised to the power 1, in case of product the powers are added. So we can write here x raised to the power 1 plus 1, y raised to the power 1 plus 1, and z raised to the power 1 plus 1. In our next step we can write it is x raised to the power 1 plus 1 to x square. Similarly it is y square, and this is z square. So this is our solution of part second, a minus a square and a cube. For the solution of this, first we can write, it is given a minus a square and a cube. Show that it is a multiplied by minus a square multiplied by a cube. So it is a raised to the power 1 plus two plus 3, and for the sign plus or minus, it is plus minus minus, and minus plus again it is minus, so it is minus, so that it is minus a raised to the power 6. Now the third part of question number 5, 2 4y 8y square 16y cube, and we are going to calculate the product of 2 4y 8y square and 16y cube. For the solution of this particular part, first we write given 2 4y 8y square by 8y square multiplied by 16y cube. Now show that it is 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 16, and it is y multiplied by y square multiplied by y cube, so that it is 1024 multiplied by y raised to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3. It shows that it is 1024 and y raised to the power 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. This is the solution of your part number 3rd of question 5.